Welcome back my YouTube channel worth old coin value today. We're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the I will telling about. Prior to 1981, the United Kingdom had been using the pound. Shillings and Pence currency system decimalization was announced by Chancellor James Callahan on March 1st. 1966, £1 would be subdivided into 100p instead of 240p, as previously was the case. This required new coins to be minted to replace the pre-decimal ones. The original specification for the one coin was set out in the Decimal Currency Act 1969, which was replaced by the Currency Act 1981. Both mandated the weight of the coin to be 3,564 g, 0.075 g, and 2.32 cm, 0.125 mm in diameter. Subsequently, the Currency Act 1983 allows for the standards of the 1p coin to be changed by Royal Proclamation. The coin was originally mined in bronze composition, 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, 0.5% tin, between 1981 and September 1992. However, increasing world metal prices necessitated a change of composition. Since 1992, the coins are minted in steel and electroplated in copper, making them magnetic. Rising world prices for copper had caused the metal value of the pre-1992 copper 1p coin to exceed 1p. For example, in May 2006, the intrinsic metal value of a pre-1992 1p coin was about 1.5p orb. Coins is legal in the United Kingdom and is punishable by a fine or up to 2 years imprisonment. 1981, 2 new pence, 2p British coin, first released $1,971 collector, only worth $5,000, shipped with USPS first class package, rare. 1981, United Kingdom UK, Nears SC pence, 2p British coin, first release. I have a 1,971 new pence 2p coin. They say it's rare. What would it be worth? The antique appraiser can help. It's nice to know that you're in trustworthy hands, who is more than capable of working with someone to achieve the desired results. I have ordered a few things and never been let down with the integrity of work and the professionalism given with excellent outcomes. I'm sure there are other places for less, but do want cheap or quality and the best. Well, quality and the best is this person. I have complete faith in her ability and I want the best, and the price is very reasonable for good results. Second crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, right, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, legend. The 1981 2 new pence coin is a rare era coin from the United Kingdom that features Queen Elizabeth I. Have a 1,981 new pence 2p coin. They say it's rare. What would it be worth? Hey, the antiques appraiser can help. I'm not a coin collector, but I found a few 1,981 new pence to Botswana Pola coins after checking eBay. Found some people selling the same coin for as high as $650 and as low as £1. Most coins were in the £300 range. I know the coins probably aren't worth a lot, but I would appreciate if someone could tell me the value given that they are in good condition. This was the first time in the history of United Kingdom coinage that a reigning monarch appeared on the same coin. I will tell you the all information. Thank you for watching today's video, and interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Worth old coin value.